Here is the rocker cover and flywheel cover. The rust will be stripped off. Plastic parts will be removed. Here are ready to paint. Mask off the important areas like the breather passage and ground point of the flywheel cover. I will apply 3 coats of high temp paint. Here is the flywheel. I will try to remove this magnet. I cleaned the area first with a brush. I also put some penetrating oil and tried to loosen the screw. As expected, it is really hard. The screw will be stripped off if I continue, so I decided not to remove it. Same procedures with the rocker cover. Here I put 2 coats of high temp paint. Here are the engine mounts, which will be refurbished too. And these bolts and nuts will be cleaned and get painted. Thin coat of paint is a must for these bolts and nuts so that the adhesion of the paint is strong. Proper way would be zinc coating, but I don't have that access yet. Here are now the results. Next video will be the assembly of the engine. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.